Hello everyone, welcome to your ML Student YouTube channel. I am Ashwini. I will guide you on how to build and deploy into an ML project on the cloud. But before we dive into the exciting world of machine learning, we need to learn the foundation with some cloud computing basics. So what's cloud computing all about? Cloud computing is like renting a powerful computer on the internet. Instead of owning your own computer, you can use a cloud service to access resources over the web. Let's see the characteristics of the cloud computing. First characteristic is on-demand access. It's like a turning on the tap of the water. You use cloud resources when you need them. For example, you run a virtual event website. You need more server power when many people register for it. Next is the scalability. Think of it like expanding your store when you have a big cell. With cloud computing, you can easily grow or shrink your resources to meet your needs. Next characteristic is pay as you go. Just like paying for electricity, you only pay for what you use. If your event website gets more traffic, you pay a bit more. If it is quieter, you pay less. Next characteristic is self-service. No need for tech expert to set up and manage hardware. Cloud provider handle all the technical stuff for you. Next characteristic is global access. Imagine you have your file and tool wherever you go. You can access your cloud resources from anywhere with an internet connection. Now let us discuss different cloud services model. First model is infrastructure as a service. It's like renting virtual computer. You get the basic building blocks such as virtual machine, storage and networking. For example, using Amazon Web Service to create a virtual server for your website. Next model is platform as a service. Imagine a kitchen with all the tools you need to cook without worrying about the maintenance. Platform as a service provide a platform for developer to build and run application. For example, Google App Engine for developing web app without managing the infrastructure. Next model is software as a service. It's like using web used email instead of installing email software. Software as a service offer ready to use software over the internet. For example, using Gmail for your email need. Next model is function as a service. This is like ordering a pizza with a specific toppings. You only write a code for a specific function and the cloud run them as needed. For example, using AWS Lambda to run a code in a response to event like a resizing image when uploaded. Storage as a service. It's like a cloud-based file cabinet where you store and retrieve the file. Now let's explore the different types of cloud computing. First type is public cloud. It's like renting a shared apartment. You share resources with other. For example, using Google Drive to store your photos online. Next type is private cloud. Think of it as having your own house. Your organization has its dedicated cloud environment. For example, company's private data center for its internal use. Next type is hybrid cloud. A hybrid cloud is like owning a house and renting an apartment when needed. You keep some data in a private cloud for its security and use a public cloud for the scalability. For example, a business using private cloud for a sensitive customer data and public cloud for the web application. And there you have it. Cloud computing simplifies technology by offering flexible, cost-effective and accessible solution for a wide range of needs. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tech insight. Thank you for watching.